Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with SM. Today I discuss about the sentence. Read the group of word in box A. Number 1, life. Our trees are. City is a Katak. Stories like children to her. A week 7 days make. Do the group of word make any sense? Do the group of word make any sense? Can we call them sentence? No, we cannot. They are jumbled. Let's arrange them in box B. Trees are our lives. Book gives us knowledge. Katak is a city. Children like to hear stories. 7 days make a week. Do the group of words have any meanings? Yes. Do they make sentences? Yes, these group of words are sentences. We call them sentence because I the words are arranged in a definite order. Subject plus verb. They gives us some meaning sense. They begin with a capital letter. Trees are our lives. Begin in capital letter tree and end with a full stop. A group of words arranged in a specific fixed order which make a complete sense. Complete sense is called a sentence. They begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. A group of words arranged in a specific order which make a complete sense is called a sentence. For example, where are you from? Why are you late? Who is your class teacher? When does your school begin? Whose book is this? How are you? These word group are also sentences. We use them to ask question. The word order this sentence is different. A question mark is put at the end of the sentence. What word or question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Please sit down, open your book, do not make a noise, read the poem aloud, write clearly and legibly. These word groups also make sentence, but the subject is not mentioned. The subject you is implicit or understand. What a beautiful sight it is! Exclamatory sentence and the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence symbol dot. How dirty the room is. Haura, we have won the match. Alas, I am completely rent. Those group of words are also called sentence. Sentences 14, 17 express sudden feeling our surprise, displeasure, joy and sorrow. We put a mark of exclamation at the end of such sentences. Now let's give a full definition of sentences. A sentence is a group of words what expresses a statement, a question or a comment. A sentence usually has a subject and a verb. A sentence in right has a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark at the end. Thank you for watching this video.